In a groundbreaking study, researchers at Bar-Ilan University have uncovered vital biological insights into the secret of healthy aging and longevity, drawing from evolutionary analysis to reveal how certain protein modifications contribute to long, healthy lives across various mammalian species. This discovery opens up exciting possibilities for not just extending the human lifespan, but improving the health span, the period of life spent in optimal health, offering the potential to combat age-related diseases that are increasingly prevalent as our global population ages. Over the last century, advances in healthcare and living standards have led to a remarkable increase in human lifespan. However, this rise has been accompanied by a sharp increase in age-related diseases such as cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and diabetes. While the prospect of living longer is a welcome development, it has raised important questions about how we can ensure that this extra time is spent in good health. The key to this lies in understanding the mechanisms that regulate aging at a molecular level, and researchers at Bar-Ilan University have made significant progress in answering this very question. By focusing on the vast diversity of lifespans across the mammalian kingdom, the study highlights a fascinating puzzle. Mammals, ranging from the tiny short-lived mouse to the mighty long-living whale, exhibit dramatically different lifespans, sometimes spanning a century or more between the shortest and longest-lived species. This incredible variation has led scientists to ask, what biological factors enable some mammals to live significantly longer, healthier lives compared to others? The team, led by Professor Chaim Cohen and Dr. Sagi Snur, used an evolutionary perspective to explore this mystery. They employed a novel computational tool, PHARO, Positive Post-Translational Modifications Regulator of Healthspan, developed by PhD student Sarit Feldman-Trabelsi, to conduct a comparative analysis of protein sequences across 107 mammalian species with varying lifespans. PHARO's ability to identify and track specific protein changes, particularly post-translational modifications, PTMs, like acetylation, across these species was revolutionary. PTMs are modifications that occur to proteins after their synthesis and are crucial for regulating cellular functions. The team found that certain PTMs were enriched in long-lived species, linking them directly to aging and resilience against age-related diseases. These findings are not only fascinating, but also hold immense promise for human health. Post-translational modifications, as shown in this study, play a crucial role in protecting cells from the damage that accumulates with age, including the onset of diseases like cancer. What is particularly exciting about this research is that it bridges evolutionary biology with practical medical applications. By understanding which protein modifications are associated with longevity, researchers now have the potential to develop therapeutic strategies that can mimic these protective mechanisms in humans. This could potentially slow down the aging process and prevent, or even reverse, some of the most devastating age-related diseases. One of the standout discoveries from this research is the insight it provides into how large mammals, such as whales, manage to live for over a century without succumbing to diseases like cancer at the same rate as smaller animals. Despite having far more cells, which typically increases the risk of developing cancer, these species have evolved specific protein modifications that offer a natural form of cancer resistance. This finding opens up exciting new avenues for cancer research, as understanding the protective PTMs in long-lived species could lead to the development of targeted therapies that mimic these natural defenses. The broader implications of these findings are profound. With aging populations becoming a major global health concern, understanding the molecular mechanisms that promote longevity and health is more critical than ever. If these evolutionary strategies can be harnessed in medical treatments, we could potentially extend not just the quantity of human life, but also the quality of life as people age. From slowing the onset of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's to reducing the impact of diabetes, the potential benefits of applying this research are immense. Furthermore, the study paves the way for future research that could identify even more protein modifications associated with longevity. With ongoing advancements in molecular biology and biotechnology, the possibilities for developing treatments that target these key proteins are expanding rapidly. By leveraging nature's own solutions to aging, scientists hope to create therapies that not only extend lifespan, but also promote a healthier, disease-free life as we grow older. In conclusion, this research from Bar-Ilan University is a game-changer in the field of aging and longevity. By identifying the specific protein changes linked to longer, healthier lives, the study offers new hope for combating the age-related diseases that increasingly affect populations worldwide. This exciting work underscores the value of evolutionary biology in understanding human health and provides a roadmap for developing therapies that could transform the way we approach aging. With further exploration of these molecular pathways, we may soon be able to harness the secrets of nature's longest-lived creatures to help humans achieve not just longer lives, but healthier ones as well.